Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best free YouTube video to text converter. You won't need to log in or upload any files. It's quick, easy, and completely free. This is very simple topic, I can explain it in very simple way. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Tactic YouTube Transcript. This is the amazing tool we'll be using today. Once you're on the website, simply copy the link of the YouTube video you want to transcribe. Now, paste the link into the designated area and click Get Video Transcript. Voila! In less than 10 seconds, your video will be transcribed. It's that fast and easy. But wait, if you want to remove the timestamps from your transcript, I've got you covered with another free tool. Now, I recommend copying the text and pasting it into a notepad for easy access. Head over to timewipe.deparkness.com and simply paste the YouTube video transcript you just generated. Click on Remove Timestamps and just like that, your transcript will be clean and timestamp free. Now, I recommend copying the text and pasting it into a notepad for easy access. And there you have it, folks. That's how you transcribe a YouTube video for free, quickly and easily. Now you have successfully convert video to text. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And hey, if you're interested in more YouTube video to text converted tutorials, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care. And I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.